Very good morning, very good afternoon, very good evening. This particular video is just an information for the sake of information, and it is not a replacement of any medical treatment or any of the medicine. It is just a knowledge exchange and the experience exchange. So guys, I say generally those people who would like to lose their weight, they are health aspirant and I'm just a helper for them. That's it. So we have seen that for our health to improve, we have to lose the weight, and for that we have to have a diary, we have to have a will that we should reduce our weight, and we should have an analysis. The first tip, in last 3 videos we have said that, and we have to calculate in our diary what are the different things which we are eating, how much carb which we are eating in a day, throughout the day, and how many are the activities, how much is the activity we spend our energy in. Those are the 2 things which are input and simple output principle, which are like a stir tank bioreactor. So those are the first thing we have to know about. The second thing, we have to determine what is the exact reason of the weight gain. Generally, it is found that there are a number of reasons, of which the most commonly occurring reason is stress. If you find yourself under stress for a long period of time, then the weight will gain by increase in intake of food time to time. If we don't have anything, or we are in some thoughts, anything to do, or we are in some thoughts, we will increase our weight by eating more and more. So at this point of time, hot water or some water of any umbelliferous fruit, with the water with fennel, badichep, water with jeera, or the water with oa or ajovan, that can help you to keep your satiety center or the craving centers down. Very important. So stress is, if it is a main cause of your eating more and more, first of all we should deal with the stress. No doubt about it that if you every day increase your metabolism in the early morning at maybe around 8 o'clock, when the highest steroid concentration of our body is there, at that point of time, then the body will have a tendency to keep its activity maintained and provide the energy, and as a result of it, throughout the day you will be energetic, and if you are energetic, your number of activities will be high, and definitely you will lose some of the weight. No doubt, when you lose weight, it will be like losing a kind of urea in urine, and you may have a kind of smell of urea in urine. The second very important tip, if you are eating too much because of stress, what you can do, as per Gautam Buddha, you should eat whatever amount of food you can have, the normal amount of food you can have in your 2 hands or 2 palms. That is actually exact food what you can eat. No doubt you should have a formula for that. One is the energy formula, and second is that the feeling that you have after eating your dinner or lunch, you should able to eat the same amount of dinner or lunch, same amount of food you should able to eat, and that is a correct formula, because according to yoga, half of the stomach should be filled by food, 1/4 of the stomach should be filled with water, and the 1/4 should be kept empty with air, and as a result of it, the churning movements in the stomach occur very fast, and they have a place to churn out. As a result of it, the churning will give you better amount of absorption from even a small amount of food. Our stomach has generally habit over the period of time, when we eat more amount of food, to absorb the nutrition vitamins, amino acids, everything in very huge amount of food. So even if we eat 2 kg of food, the absorption will not be more than say 100 gram or 200 gram. So our stomach should get the habit of absorption of 200 gram of food, 200 gram of nutrition from just a 400 gram of food. That is the first thing which we have to keep in mind. There is a third important point. If we are eating too much, you should start your lunch or dinner always with a vegetable soup. And this is where you will actually fill your stomach with more amount of water, more amount of vegetable, and as a result of it, you will end up in eating less. Very important point. Okay, and very important tip, don't watch a television while eating. If you would like to watch television while eating, sit in Vajrasana, which is a folding or thunderbolt position, which is folding off of your leg. Keep your backbone straight, and this way you can avoid the blood flow towards your lower part of the body, more blood flow towards your tummy, and as a result of it, you will find that it will help to lose the weight. Thank you so much, guys. I'll come up with more and more videos for weight loss in depth. Thank you so much.